Viewers, again I come to show you another tips and tricks about Android technology, and now I show you that how to grow up your YouTube channel and how to grow up your views and subscribe. Please see the full video and stay with us. Thank you. First you go to the Google Chrome and select your YouTube. It's a Android technology, that's why you can using your mobile. Then go to the desktop site. That means your mobile is now desktop. My channel. Then select a video and edit video. Go to the edit video. How to grow up your YouTube channel. Now see. And skin and annotations. Then see there I have a 3 video and my subscribe channel to add and skin. It's a and skin edit. When you add element that your channel is grow up automatically and your video views are go up automatically, and when your views are go up automatically, everyone subscribe your channel and love your channel. Then cards, add cards. That means that it's a playlist like that. This is cards and I set up my cards like this. This is how can you grow up your YouTube channel, and this is the tips and tricks. If you like my channel, please go to my YouTube channel and subscribe my channel and click the bell button. Thank you.